Hi everyone. Welcome back to our quick video on how to do an email quick campaign in Dynamics 365 sales environment. For this demo, you would firstly need a prerequisites as a user such as email template to be used for the quick campaign. Right ownership of the leads, opportunities or whatever records that you are intended to send the email to, and in some cases, a proper permission to execute this campaign. There are several ways to do the email quick campaign. One of it is by using the advanced filter view. From here, you can build your syntax to build your records that you are willing to send the email to. For this example, we are targeting a contact type of record, with active status and records that belong to me. As you can see, the lists are showing in the view results, and if you have dozens of records under this filter, you can increase your default per page view by 250 records per page. Next, simply click on the Send Direct Email button available on the top pane to start sending the quick email campaign. In here, you need to select your pre-made email template and selecting how many records that you are planning to send the email to. This particular method is very effective and fast to execute. If you wish to expand your records number view per page, you can simply head over to the cog icons on the top right and click on it. Go to Options, and then once you are inside the Personal options, increase your selection of numbers records per page to 250. Another ways to create quick email campaign is from the main page of the record type of your selection. In this example, we are targeting at opportunity record. You can create your custom view of the opportunity to get both shortcuts view and group the selected records according to your own criteria. As you can see here, there are no buttons of quick email campaign visible on the top pane of the page. To enable it, go to Advanced Settings by clicking on cog icons on the top right. Then, find Administration under the System setting. From there, you will be displayed with a setting box with multi-tabs on top. Select Email, and then scroll all the way to the bottom to find the right option to enable the quick email campaign feature. Once you have activated this feature, you can see the button is now visible once you multi-select the records. Similarly to the advanced filter view, in here, you will be prompted to choose your email template first and then number of records that you are sending your email to, and hit the send button to blast your email right away. Thank you for watching this quick demo of Email Quick Campaign in Dynamics 365 sales environment. Hope you find this video useful. Until next time.